Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve high notes easily. First, let's focus on breath control, which is the absolute foundation. Imagine your breath as the fuel for your voice. You need a steady, consistent supply. Engage your diaphragm, feeling your stomach expand as you inhale, rather than lifting your shoulders. This provides the necessary support for those soaring pitches, allowing your vocal cords to vibrate freely and efficiently. Next, always warm up your voice. Think of it like stretching before a workout. It prevents strain and improves flexibility. Start with gentle hums and lip trills, gradually ascending and descending. As you sing, focus on directing the sound forward, feeling vibrations in your nose and forehead. This mask resonance amplifies your sound and makes high notes feel much less effortful, giving them a bright, clear quality. Tension is the enemy of high notes, especially in your jaw and tongue. A tight jaw restricts your vocal cords, making it harder to reach those higher pitches. Practice gently dropping your jaw as if you are about to yawn, and keep your tongue relaxed and forward, not bunched up at the back of your mouth. This creates an open, unobstructed pathway for your sound, allowing your voice to ascend with ease and clarity. Finally, approach high notes gradually. Don't force them. Start by singing scales and arpeggios, focusing on smooth, connected transitions between notes. As you feel more comfortable, slowly extend your range upwards, perhaps by a half step each day. Consistent, mindful practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes daily, will build your vocal strength and confidence, making those impressive high notes a natural part of your singing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.